On Saturday, we received just a trace amount of rainfall at the airport. Of course, we're looking at our month to date, obviously drier than where we should be for this time of the year. And then for the season, just about 3 3/4 less than where we should be. But we had about 7 inches of rainfall here since June 1st. Now, we're dealing with some quieter conditions here for the rest of the night on our Sunday and into early Monday. A weak pulse along the state line of North and South Dakota will continue to track eastward through Aberdeen, east of Mobridge here through Monday early morning, but that really starts to dry out by the time it reaches some more stable air into Minnesota. And then we're watching as another boundary begins to set up here by Monday afternoon across northwestern Minnesota, trailing southward, where it could fire off some stronger showers and thunderstorms from Marshall, Worthington, Sioux Falls, and across much of southeastern portions of South Dakota and into Nebraska. The area shaded in green, this just means we've got a chance for some rumbles here throughout the day, but not particularly looking at any severe weather threats here as of now. Here's a look at our dew points. Notice that it's going to start feeling a little bit more comfortable here if it's not already. Low 60s to 50s here as we go throughout Monday morning. As we look at our forecast index, we'll expect to see for heat index values into the 70s through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's going to feel like free air conditioning, right? Lows for Monday morning, upper 50s here for you in Anoka. Cambridge at 54. We'll have temperatures in the upper 50s in Lakeville. As we go further statewide, 51 in Roseau, Grand Marais at 50, Ironwood at 50, Twin Cities at 62. And temperatures will be maybe a degree or two warmer than average here for our Monday, but pretty close to where we should be here for this time of the year. A look at our forecast though, scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible until late Monday evening into early Tuesday morning. Now, close to the Twin Cities metro, we'll look at those low 80s in Waconia, Baldwin, Wisconsin at 81, Eau Claire at 85, and Faribault at 80. Meanwhile, across the rest of the state, again, a normal stormy, potentially isolated thunderstorm pattern here for many of us for Monday, but most of us drying out into Tuesday and much of Wednesday as well. Our 7-day outlook here in the Twin Cities, mostly sunny, with a high of 83 for Monday. We'll drop down in the mid 60s overnight, but look at these temperatures dropping into the 50s for Wednesday morning into Thursday.